Here's another quality vehicle offered by Randall Noe Auto Group.
Introducing the 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power steering, cruise control. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Visit Randall Noe Auto Group today. We're conveniently located at 1608 Westmore Avenue in Terrell, Texas.